In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round off numbers with Excel ROUNDUP function. Start by opening Microsoft Excel. Any recent version works the same for this tutorial, and a blank worksheet is perfect. We'll look at the function that forces numbers to round upward every time, which is especially helpful for pricing, budgeting, and any scenario where you can't underestimate a value. The function we're using is called ROUNDUP, and its syntax is simple: equals ROUNDUP, then an open parenthesis, the number, a comma, the number of digits, and a closing parenthesis. Written out, that's each ROUNDUP, number, num, digits. The two arguments are straightforward. Number is the value you want to round, and it can be a typed number like 12.345 or a cell reference like A2. Num digits controls how precise you want the result to be. Use positive numbers to keep decimal places, 0 to round to a whole number, and negative numbers to round to the left of the decimal, such as tens or hundreds. Let's see it in action. Type equals ROUNDUP 12.345 son 2 and press enter. You'll get 12.35. Because ROUNDUP always rounds away from 0, the third decimal forces the second decimal up, even if it's small. Now, round to a whole number. Enter till ROUNDUP 12.1000. The result is 13. Notice that it rounds up regardless of the first decimal. There's no round to nearest behavior here. Up means up. Next, round to the nearest 10. Type round up 145ths 1. The -1 means we're rounding one place to the left of the decimal. The result is 150. Similarly, for hundreds, use x roundup to 45, 2, and you'll get 1300. To practice with a quick table, put 5.21 in A2 and enter x roundup A2 so 1 in B2. You'll see 5.3. In A3, type 18.01, and in B3, use x roundup A3 sorry to get 19. In A4, type 246, and in B4 use x roundup A4 1 to return to 150. Referencing cells like this makes it easy to apply the same logic to long lists. It helps to understand how ROUNDUP differs from the regular round function. Round follows normal rounding rules, going to the nearest value, so it may round down or up depending on the next digit. ROUNDUP, by contrast, always rounds away from 0. That means a tiny decimal still pushes the number higher, and the same logic applies to negative numbers as well. Quick tips before we wrap up. If you only want to change how a number looks, without changing the value used in calculations, consider number formatting instead of ROUNDUP. And remember, negative num digits moves rounding to the left of the decimal. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.